Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text people on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Next, locate the inbox icon, which looks like a paper airplane, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This is your central hub for all notifications and messages, making it easy to stay connected with your friends and followers. Once in your inbox, look for the plus sign, typically in the top right corner, to begin a new chat. You can then search for the person you want to message by typing their username into the search bar. Make sure you have their correct username to find them easily and start your conversation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Speaking of keeping things clean and organized, why not upgrade your home with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your life much easier. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After selecting your recipient, a chat window will open. Type your message into the text box at the bottom of the screen. You can send text, emojis, and even short videos to express yourself. Once your message is ready, simply tap the send button to deliver it instantly to your friend. Keep in mind that TikTok has privacy settings. You can usually only message people who follow you back or who you are mutual friends with on the platform. Some users might have their direct messages turned off entirely for privacy reasons. Always be respectful and report any content that violates community guidelines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.